you trying to fix it? Yeah? I think you're doing a good job so far. What's that? Yeah? You got the screw in there? Clint, you're such a little tinkerer.
Yeah.
You've got the screw in there?
Take my piece.
Oh my goodness, good job. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye. Bye, Marty.